Hey guys, welcome back to Montavue. Today I'm here to talk about the MT2D4. This is a camera better known as a corridor camera. Now, what makes it so unique is the fact that it has two separate operating lenses that can be completely independent of one another. So how this works is, as you can see here, it has two lenses. Each one can be rotated 180 degrees and tilt 90 degrees. So you'll get full range of motion to adjust your angles. One thing to note about this camera is that each lens has a 95-degree field of view. In combination with both, you should be able to cover all of your peripherals with what you guys need. Another thing to keep in mind is that this camera does occupy two channels on an NVR. So although it only uses one PoE switch and one IP address, it does technically take up two separate channels on an NVR system. The nice thing about it being one camera is that it also only requires one PoE cable to be run. So whether you guys are going to an NVR or a PoE switch, you simply just have to run one cable and then you effectively get two cameras. So, a few other features built into this. You have a built-in microphone, so whether it's inside or outside, you're going to get crystal clear audio. This camera is IP67, which means it is outdoor rated. This is waterproof and dustproof, which means it can go in almost any environment. This camera is also IK10. This is a Vandal Proof rating, and this is as high as you can possibly get. It basically means that this camera can take quite a lot of damage before it becomes inoperable. This camera also has built-in infrared up to 100 feet. And again, that is each lens has 100 feet because the infrared lights are actually built into the front of each lens. So no matter where you guys have these aimed, you guys should have sufficient infrared to cover those areas. Now, I really want to talk about the intelligent features of this camera. They are numerous, probably the most packed of any camera that we have. The intelligent features are as follows: tripwire, intrusion, parking detection, loitering detection, missing object, abandoned object, face detection, human vehicle awareness, and people counting. There's about 9 special smart features built into this, my personal favorite being face detection. So each lens can detect a subject's face and can even give you details about it, like their age, whether they have a beard or facial hair, or even their expression. If you guys need that type of thing for a business or your personal property and you think that would be effective, you guys can check out the corridor camera. It is highly recommended for any intelligent features, as I just mentioned. Now, the corridor camera is compatible with an SD card, so if you guys don't have an NVR and you wish to use this as just a standalone camera, that is perfectly acceptable. And of course, since it's 2 cameras, you actually get quite a deal with that. That is all I've got for you guys for the MT2D4 Corridor Camera. If you guys have any more information that you would like to know about this, feel free to call our tech support or our sales line. We are here Monday through Friday to answer any questions you guys have. As always, please subscribe down below. I really appreciate that from all of our followers. And you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you for choosing Montavue.